You. Good morning. Good morning, baby. Hi. Tingel, I love you. Bored ka na ba? Sorry, ang kalat ng bahay natin, ha? Linis lang ako. Na ano ho yan? Nung nabet namin, may nakakapaka kasi kami na ano.
Parang buko. Hindi buko.
Parang sugot sa balat. Tapos yung pala, sobrang sumili. Ano nangyayari?
Parang hindi nagagalis tayo.
Oo. Parang hindi na ma-digest ka. Tapos dahil din, nagkapansin ng cake.
Ba gusto pa tuloy? Kayo sa umaga, di ba dito ako natutulog? Papasyal ko siya, bibig kami kambisan. Ikot ko muna siya.
Ba't ang lambing naman yan? Madodognap ka na, anak.
Wait naman po eh.
Daniel, hindi pwede magpabot kay tito dyan. Ma-allergy siya sa'yo. Nalambing ka sa tito mo? Anak, hindi nga pwede. Ma-allergy siya sa'yo. Na-allergy na siya sa'yo, diba? Nung nagbantay siya. Sorry. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Sorry, sip na ako ng coffee. So good. So, kanina guys, the people that you saw earlier was Tita Rosana and that is also Nico. They are the parents of Ken. So, Ken is going to be taking them to rally tours sa may SM South Mall, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi, both of them are going to Korea this March, if I'm not mistaken. So, ayun, magpaprocess na sila ng Korean visa nila today. And, kanina din, Ken just took Daniel for a bath. So, after ko mag-breakfast siguro, sunduin ko siya, then saka na ako mag-gym. But in any case, guys, good morning. It's a nice and pleasant morning today. So, I feel inaantok. And I'm not surprised by that. I'm really having challenges sleeping. That's why sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mga days na kumpleto yung tulog ko. And what I mean by that is nakahiga ka na pero nagigising ka at nahihirapan ka ulit matulog. So I've been experiencing that lately. Ay, nang hirap guys. Sometimes it's affecting my mood, sometimes it's not. Pero most of the time I try to control it. But in any case, ayun, it is what it is. Also, some life updates. This is my last week of bulking. After next week, or to be more specific, March 1, I will now be on cutting mode or cutting phase. So, ina-appreciate ko lang muna talaga ngayon yung mga pagkain na pwede ko pang kainin. Though nagre-reklamo ako because of the quantity, pero ganun talaga eh, diba? Kailangan mo talagang mag-bulk. This is me, by the way. So, ayan ako. Even Tita said that I really grew bigger. So, ayun, happy naman kasi of course the results are there. Pero, mahirap talaga siya guys. It's not easy. It's not for everyone. But in any case guys, so, what's the plan for today? This is going to be really a chill. This is really going to be a chill weekend for us. Sabi ko nga, most likely, yun, pick Daniel up from the grooming salon. Siguro mag-gym, and then I'll try to edit some videos, and then ayun. Tapos, of course, tomorrow, Sunday, the usual naman din. Usual lang naman siya na gym, walkies ni Daniel, and then dinner later on. Okay, so ayun guys, breakfast lang ako, and stick with me until the end of this vlog. See ya!
Those three words are spelled out in your eyes. But before I go on, say something wrong. I just hope and bite my tongue. Cause you've been told too many times before. Yeah, you've been told so many times before. So I'm gonna try with something new. And I'll never say that I don't need more words. 'Cause you've been told too many times before. You've been told so many times before.
Tapos isang part ng salt. Thank you. Oh, yung steak egg. Steak egg.